How to activate Huntington Debit Card. If you'd like to activate a Huntington Debit Card, you can follow up the steps. So you can visit the website or the mobile application for that or the phone. So head over to huntington.com and go to your login section. Tap on this profile icon and you will be taken to the login interface. Now here you may just go ahead and use your credentials in order to log in into your Huntington online banking. And once you are logged in, you can just visit and select the service center at the tab at the top. And from there, you can select the option to activate your card. You can look out for debit and ATM cards, a similar option. And you will be prompted to enter the three-digit security code from the back of your card. And you can just follow any remaining prompts to complete the activation. Apart from that, if you'd like to activate from your phone, what you can do is log in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can find the section for managing your debit card. So just go ahead and do so. And then you can choose the option to activate your new debit card. Once it completes, you can enter the three-digit security code from the back of your card and follow any remaining prompts to complete the activation. You can even use the toll-free number included on the sticker attached to a new card, or just call this number that I'm showing on my screen right now, daily 6 a.m. to midnight ET, and that will also help you activate the Huntington debit card. So you may follow up this process if you'd like to activate Huntington debit card on from your device. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.